Eagles Nation, stand up and welcome to Bird's Eye View from one fan to another. I'm your host and fellow fan, Clay Rowland. Man, let's get it poppin'. Oh man, I can't take it. About to have coronary. Our beloved Birds dropped another one. That's 2 in a row. 23-21 to the Minnesota Vikings. The team we beat to advance to the Super Bowl, and we did hoist the Lombardi Trophy. It seems so long ago, man. Golly, these 2 losses in a row is killing me. Anyway, before I get into the game and break the offense and defense down, I want to talk to the networks, especially Fox. They build this as a rematch of the NFC Championship. I continually say that you cannot have a rematch. It couldn't be a rematch because the prize isn't the same. Because we play again on Thursday, they play on Sunday again. See, last year when we beat them, that was it. This season was over. And we went on to play the Super Bowl. So if the prize isn't the same, Fox, I can't believe y'all that dumb. But anyway, that's another whole story. But if the prize isn't the same, it cannot be a rematch. Duh. Anyway, that's how they build stuff, I guess. Propaganda stuff. Anyway, let's get into this game. Okay, this week I'm going to start with the defense. Now, I mean, for the most part, the defense played pretty good. Let's be honest. The defense played good. They allowed 17 points. That's what they allowed. The defense allowed 17 points. They played good. Now, there was some bad breakdowns during the game. I think we got beat up pretty bad between the 20s. I think we did. We gave it too much. We couldn't get off the field. Gave it too much in between the 20s. But as far as points, our red zone defense is stout. I like our red zone defense. You know, I got some problems with the coverages, especially with that guy, Toast Mills. That's right, I call him Toast Mills because that's what he is, because he's getting toasted. Like I said before, listen to me, Toast. It's a double move. It's a double move. You're on film now. You're susceptible to a double move, so guess what all offense coordinators going to run on you? The receivers, a double move. Come on, man, you're a professional. Get with it. I'm tired of getting beat with that double move. And then, hold up. Then you happen to make a play, which you get paid to do, which is your job. What do? You start celebrating and pointing. Come on, man. That's why Fletcher got in your face. And let you know, let's get to the game. What he should have done was punch you in your face. We got to get serious about this, some urgency. All right, Toast? It's a double move. All right. Now, but for the most part, defense played good, gave him 17 points. I was pretty happy with what my defense did as far as not allowing points. What I got upset about was how we got beat up between the 20s. That's really kind of pissed me off there. And Jim, you got to do something about this. I mean, I think the DBs are playing back too far, but I guess you don't trust them because our DBs are okay. They're not real good DBs. They're okay. They're serviceable, you know. So I guess you don't trust them to give the cushion. You know, I thought Darby did a pretty good job on Stephon Diggs. Now, Stephon Diggs is one of the best receivers in the league, especially when he comes out of his break. This guy's probably the best receiver coming out of his break, him and Antonio Brown. You know, and Darby is good. You know, he has good speed, but he doesn't have great hips. So he can't turn his hips fast enough and move. And that's what helped Stephon a lot, was that Darby, them hips don't move like they should. Well, not like they should. He's average. His hips are average. And he's not able to turn them quick and run. Unlike Deion Sanders, which had great clothing speed and recovery speed, that he could do that, and also Deion had great hips. So anyway, it is what it is. But I thought the defense played good. Happy with our defense. You know, bend but don't break philosophy. Sometimes it comes back to bite you. But for the most part, defense played good. Yo, Toast is a double move. Come on, man. You got to work on that, okay? All right? And remember, Jim, like I said last episode, you got to put a safety over top to help Jalen, you know, so he feels secure. You know, as long as that kid on a bike, you put training wheels on. Even though he might not need training wheels, you just keep him there, you know, a little longer so he feels, you know, secure. Anyway. All right? So defense played pretty good. I thought we got pressure. We made Kirk get off the spot a couple times, but we did give up a lot of yards in between the 20s, which we gotta do something about that. But anyway, 17 points, defense. At the end of the day, defense did their job. Okay? Now let's go to the offense. Oh my goodness. Whew, where do I start? I'll tell you what, this is where we start. Doug Peterson, I'm talking to you now. Doug, talking to you. You got to run the ball, okay? You're getting a little like Andy. You lean too much on Carson to throw the ball, okay? So when you start throwing the ball a lot, you become predictable, okay? You become predictable. And when you become predictable, you become defendable. Follow me, Doug. Follow me here. If you keep throwing the football, okay, you keep allowing Carson to throw the football, he becomes predictable. Your offense becomes predictable. That means you become defendable. All right? You have to run the ball. You got to keep the defense honest, okay? Get them safeties to scooch up a little bit. The linebackers cheat a little bit, okay? And you open your offense up when you run the ball. That's common sense. I mean, anyway. We had too many penalties, too many dumb penalties. I mean, I was pissed at the penalties. Totally pissed at the penalties. All right, we're giving up too much. Illegal formation? Come on, man. What do y'all do in practice? What the hell do y'all do in practice? Illegal formation shouldn't be happening. Come on. We're professionals. Professionals now, okay? College, high school's done. Major football, done. College is done. You are professionals. Illegal formations, cut it. All right? Now, here is the part that really is burning me up. Putting the ball on the carpet. Jay and Jai, inside the 10. You can't give up the ball. What are you doing? Laying the ball down. You cannot do that. What happens? We're going for a touchdown. You put the ball on the carpet. Sorry, news update real quick. J.I. Jai's lost for the season. Tore ACL, so he's on injury reserve, so he's lost for the season. So we had to fill that role. I thought he ran the ball pretty good yesterday, except putting the ball on the carpet. I don't care if you have a 99-yard run. If you fumble on the goal line, I don't need you. All right? And now to my quarterback, C-Dub. That's 3 games in a row that you fumbled the ball. First 2 times, defense recovers the ball, the offense went on to score. This time, they said, don't worry about it. The defense ran all the way. Big fat boy runs a 68 yards for a touchdown. Come on, C-Dub, protect the ball. Ball security. I don't need you if you want to keep on doing this every week. Now, I gave you a pass because you're just coming back. I gave you that. But it's over now. You're messing up. You're playing like a bum. Let's take this call like it is. You throw the ball okay. We throw it too much. But you put the ball on the carpet, I don't need you. I mean, you can't turn the ball over. Come on, man. Ball security. Tired of this, man. Every week. God damn. Okay? All right. It's over with. Okay, now to the refs. The refs pissed me off. I'm going to tell the truth. That call Michael Bennett was bull crap. Okay? Bull crap. What else could he do? He didn't hit him hard. He just rolled and put him down. I didn't see it, but, they call that protecting the quarterback. Okay. I guess I understand it. No, I don't. But it is what it is. So, who we got Thursday night? Up in New York, the Giants. Division matchup. Look, man, we're sitting at 2-3. Ain't no other way but up. We're Super Bowl champs. Maybe that's some way bothering you and getting to your mind like Super Bowl champ. Now you got that swagger. Team supposed to lay over or lay down for you. They don't care about that. What I tell you before. Every team's coming with their A game. That means you gotta come with your A+ game. I don't make this up. I don't write this. That's the way it is. Okay? That's just the way it is. And I don't pull no punches at all. Eagles, love them to death. They my boys. I've been an Eagle fan since day of birth. They my boys, but right now they're not playing good. Doug gotta play a better game. I need a better run-pass balance, man. Come on, man. Keep the defense honest, Doug. I mean, come on, man. You're supposed to be the G. Or maybe Frank Reich was doing everything last year. And you took the credit. I don't know. Something's wrong. So anyway, we got the Giants, and we really gotta get back on track, and I think we can. I think Carson is due for a big game. And let's be honest. The defense, Jalen and the defense and them guys are doing the same thing they did last year. The problem is we're not scoring enough points. Last year we led the league of points, 38, 39 points a game, whatever it was up there. We're not scoring enough points. You know why? Because our run-pass ratio is not there, period. All right? If every time I drop back, every time they come out, a defense, and I know Carson's going to throw the ball, I'm in coverage. You predictable, you become defendable. All right? So I'm done with all that. I screamed, I yelled, almost had a heart attack, I had all that. I'm done with all that. It's time to get ready for the Giants. Divisional matchup. This is a must-win. Lane Johnson said it himself, this is a must-win, and I agree with him. Agree totally, even though he's playing a little bit kind of bummish, too. The offensive line, we need some work on you, too, but I guess when you know what you're going to do, it's easy to play defense. Anyway, Giants coming up, we're going to do this. EAGLES all day. So everybody get together, all the Eagle fans, time to get rallied and get up because we can't be dropping more games. We got to almost sweep our division now, it seems like. So anyway, Giants are up and we're going to take care of business. I really do think that. Okay, my players in the game. Okay, my offensive player of the game is Butter Thielen. Butter Thielen, everybody, who's Butter Thielen? You might I'll call him Butter. Jalen Mills is on him. Toast Mills. But that's what you put butter on toast. He ate Jalen alive. You put butter on butter, Thielen ate toast alive. You see that? Spreading. So Adam Thielen, Butter Thielen, is my offensive player of the game. My defensive player of the game, I'm going to give it to the whole Minnesota defense. They stifled us because we did it to ourselves. But Big Boy ran the ball back for a touchdown. So they stifled us again. I hate giving it to a whole defensive group, but they did their job against us, period. Special team player for the game again is the punter. And look, that's a damn shame when my punter is the most consistent player on my team. He's the only one playing with any consistency. It's the punter. Good job. I mean, his punts are unreal. He's punting the ball, the only one. That's a joke. Come on, defense, my offense. All right? So there you go. So look, this is what you need to do. If you agree with it or disagree with it, hit me on my Twitter at Me and My Eagles. At Me and My Eagles, hit me on my Twitter. And remember, subscribe to my channel so we keep this thing moving. So what we got now? Remember, on Fox, I think it's 8:20 kickoff on Fox. This Thursday, it's a divisional matchup, and it's a must win. All right? So, Toast, it's called a double move. All right? Carson, ball security. And Dub, let's split the run and pass up, okay? All right, can we do that, man? All right. Hey, I guess until next time, y'all be good. EAGLES all day. Subscribe to my channel. I'm out.